Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to multiply two-digit numbers using a special trick I like to use. So let's look at our example, 24 times 12. What I like to do is take my bottom number, which in this example is 12, and I'm going to take 2 and circle each number that I'm going to multiply that number by. So in this situation, I'm going to circle 2 and 4 and 2 and 2. So let's go ahead and do our first row of multiplication to make this look cleaner. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Now keep in mind, this is in the ones place and this 4 is in the tens place. Now let's do our second row of multiplication. We're going to take 1 this time and multiply 1 times 4 and 1 times 2. And I'm using a different color so you can see the difference here. Now we're going to do our second row of multiplication, and this is going to look a little bit different. Now we're going to take 1, which in this example, now we're in the tens place value. 1 is in the tens place value. So this 1 is going to change to 10 times 4, which will be 40. So 4 is going to go here under our tens place value. Now we're going to multiply 1 in the tens place value and 2, which is also in the tens place value. So we've got 10 times 20, which gives us 200. And we're going to write 2 in our hundreds place value. Now we can add both of our rows together. And I'm going to switch back to my black marker. So let's add 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 0 plus 2 is 2. So this whole equation equals 288. Now these two rows of multiplication came from doing 2 separate rows of multiplication. 2 times 4, 2 times 2, and then 1 times 4 and 1 times 2. Now, if you guys would like to see more videos on multiplication, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you do not miss anything.